welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is one of the South Indian item, that is Uttapam. Before getting into the process, if you are new here, then do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. First of all, take 2 cups of urad bean, 4 cups of raw rice and add 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds. Soak them for at least 2 hours. By adding some water, grind them well. Keep stirring the batter. This is the consistency we need. Then take it into a bowl. Be sure your hands are hygienic. Mix the batter well with your hands for at least 5 minutes by adding some more water and salt as per your taste. Take 1 cup of chana dal, 1 inch ginger and 5 to 6 garlic cloves, then dry roast them. Again take half cup coconuts and half cup groundnuts and dry roast them. Now let's make tempering by adding some mustard seeds, some urad beans, green mirchi, red chilli and some curry leaves. Add these tempered red chilies to the roasted chana dal and grind it together. Now add all the paste by adding some salt and water. This consistency of chutney is good to have with Uttapam. These are chopped carrots, onions, tomatoes and green mirchi. You can also add kaju and coconut pieces here. But we made coconut chutney, that's why we are not adding them. It should be cooked for at least 5 minutes in low flame and cover it with a lid. Now it's ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.